Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a interesting side to the Patch Tuesday updates yesterday. A very high number of people I've noticed have mentioned that they don't see the updates, which is kind of interesting as Patch Tuesday is mandatory and should appear on everybody that has the proper version of Windows 10. So remember, to get this update, you need to be at least on 1909 or on the 2020 versions of version 2004, which is the May 2020 update, or the October 2020 update. If you're older than 1909, you don't see these updates because you're not supported anymore. So make sure that your proper version that can be updated. Once updated, you should see that you have moved on on version 2004, 20H2. You should be on 19041, 19042.867 once update is done. And on the 1909, I believe it's 83363.1440 or something like that. So make sure that you have a supported version. Make sure everything's all right and click Windows Update. You should be getting it normally. But it's interesting because the same happens on the insider side. There are some people on the beta channel. People are testing the 21H1, which is also being updated with the Patch Tuesday updates. And for some reason, they're not. A lot of people say they're not showing up there also. So I don't know if it's something at the Microsoft end that's preventing or not sending it right now. A lot of people saying, did they pull the updates? Nope, I've been checking it out. They didn't pull it, and nobody's really complaining of anything unusual or problems with it. So it's not pulled. It's for some reason not showing up for everyone. So, of course, if there's anything new about this, I'll make a video and talk about it. But if you don't see it, you're not alone right now. Just check it out. Maybe it'll appear today or tomorrow. Maybe a little something. Maybe it's the way that they're rolling it out. They're rolling it out in batch, because I know that sometimes they do have waves, even on Patch Tuesday. So they have waves of sending them out, and when the first wave is done, then they actually initiate the next wave. So sometimes not everybody at the same time has the same updates. It might take a little more time for some, but check out from time to time. It should be there normally. And I don't see any reason why it's not, honestly, except for maybe Microsoft isn't sending it all at the same time. So, of course, if something happens with this, I will let you guys know. And Patch Tuesday updates are important. There's a lot of critical flaws this month. I mean, this month is not that it's a big Windows update when you compare them to some of the huge ones of last year, but it's a big Windows update when you compare the amount of critical flaws that are in Windows, and especially a couple that are already exploited by hackers online, which is making this quite unique. So make sure that you have this and that you actually have the everything installed when you actually see it. I think it's very important to do so. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.